Recently, I've been on a presentation of Huawei P20 top models for my country, Croatia, and I got the first P20 regular or small model. It has a 5.8-inch diagonal display and it has two cameras on the rear. P20 is actually a competitor to Galaxy S9. It really looks a lot like Apple iPhone X, so it's the closest you'll get to iPhone with Android, I'd say. I had it for like a week. So just check out how I liked it. In Huawei, they tried pretty hard regarding design. The blue back is pretty nice. It has a really nice color and I like the way the phone is shaped on the edges. But I'll have to say that incredibly it reminds me on the iPhone X. I'd say this is like a copycat. The back side is practically copied from the iPhone, but never mind. The phone looks sturdy enough. P20 is not waterproof as the iPhone X or Galaxy S9, but still it looks okay. The side keys are well shaped, they're precise for touch, and below the screen you have a virtual key. It kind of eases to get back on the home screen, especially because you don't have gestures on the Android as you have on the iPhone X. As all new models, P20 charges pretty fast via USB Type-C connector, and it can charge up to 100% in less than an hour and a half. The LiP polymer battery has pretty high capacity, 3400 mAh, and it lasted for more than a day, but I had to charge it every day as you do with all the other phones. The display goes up to the edges of the casing. On the bottom it's cutted and you have a key on the bottom, but I don't think that no one will mind that. And on the upper part of the display you have the camera and the sensors, but I don't really mind that, so you have that gap. The display has pretty nice colors. They're even a bit oversaturated for my taste. And when you're indoors or when it's not too sunny and bright outside, the display is pretty good. But on direct, strong sunlight, the display is just not visible, although it has 100% brightness and it has an automatic sensor. The iPhone X and Galaxy S9 have better display outdoors in direct sunlight. Keys on virtual keyboard are kind of crammed up. The symbols are too small, but I like that it has number keys on top. Android 8.1 Oreo has Huawei upgrade, which means that you don't have a menu here. All the icons are on front screens, just like on the iPhone. And compared to the iPhone, here you can add widgets on front screens, which I particularly like. For example, you can add the widgets for calendar, for weather, for Shazam and stuff like that. And the device has 128 GB of internal memory, which is really good enough. It's more than enough for all the applications, games, pictures, videos. It's really great capacity. On Antutu benchmark, it achieves 160,000 points, which is a high result, but it's not among the fastest smartphones on the market right now. Games look pretty good, but on faster devices they load up even faster, so the difference is notable compared to the high-end devices. Now regarding cameras, P20 has two cameras on the rear from 12 and 20 megapixels that record 4K video, and both cameras are pretty good. You get solid quality, but you can see the difference with the iPhone X and Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus, so it's a good photo and video quality, but it's not the best I've seen. Front camera is not that good. I've seen better selfies on some other smartphones, but pictures will be usable. Although this is 24 megapixels, it's just even too much. Sound on P20 goes up to 81 decibels, which is solid. It's not the loudest speaker that I've seen, but it's pretty loud. Sadly, it's not a stereo speaker, so you get a good quality, but not the best I've seen. And the headphones you get in packaging are looking like those with the iPhone, and they're not premium quality. in the end, P20 looks really premium. It's got that nice look, and it's the closest you'll get having Android that is similar to iPhone 10. So it's pretty nice looking phone, quite impressive build quality, but compared to Galaxy S9 and iPhone 10, it doesn't have IP68 waterproof certificate, so it's not waterproof. It doesn't have QI wireless charging. Cameras are, slightly less good than on Galaxy S9 and iPhone 10, but they're pretty awesome. So the average consumer won't notice the difference. I don't usually comment the price because price changes. Somebody wants to give more money, somebody doesn't want to give a lot of money. But it's the fact that for this much money, you won't find better features and a better looking phone these days on the market. So this is, really high quality phone and good value for money. If you guys have P20 or P20 Pro or any other Huawei, I'd like to see your comments below. I'd like to see what you think about this phone, and see you in some other video. Bye.